Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec Premium LED Projector style headlights. As you can see from the wide selection of headlights I have here on the table, we've got these available to fit multiple Jeep vehicles running all the way back to the early Jeep CJs, the 87 to 95 Jeep Wrangler YJs, 84 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJs, 97 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJs, 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs, and the 18 and up Jeep Wrangler JL, including the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Now, we built the same great features into all of these lights that not only make them a great choice for a headlight for the front of your Jeep, but also make them an easy plug and play install. Now, if these look familiar or like you may have seen a similar designed headlight, well, there's no surprise there. That's because we went straight to the source to work with the team at JW Speaker, one of the leaders in automotive aftermarket lighting, to design and engineer these lights exclusively for us here at Quadratec. And not only that, but all of these headlights are proudly made right here in the USA and feature the appropriate SAE and DOT markings along with a Quadratec logo right there on the light housing. All of these lights feature JW Speaker's dual burn technology. And what that means is that when you illuminate your high beams, all of the low beam optics are going to remain illuminated, giving you that extreme punch of additional light just when you need it. Now, if we take a minute to take a peek at some of the optics on the light here, what you'll see at the top center of the light is your forward-facing low beam projector lens. Now, that's going to cast that light far down the road or the trail in front of your vehicle with an extremely sharp cutoff. Now, that's there to keep that light down low on the road where you want it and not up in the eyes of oncoming traffic. You're also going to have two vertical projectors that are illuminated, and those are going to help to cast that light down low and out wide close to the front of your vehicle. Now, when you illuminate your high beam, all three of those projectors are going to remain illuminated with the addition now of that lower main large projector, which is going to cast more light farther down the road or the trail in front of your Jeep, as well as up high above that cutoff line. Now, as you see, I do have two versions of each light on the table in front of me, and that's because all of our options are available in either your standard or a heated option. Now, the heated option is a great choice, especially if you live in a colder climate. And our heated option features a built-in defroster right there in the lens of the headlight. Now, that defroster works just like that defroster in the rear window of your vehicle. It features a built-in temperature sensor that's going to automatically turn on that heating element to help melt away any freezing rain or snow or ice that's accumulating on the lens of your light while you're driving. Now, if we flip the headlights over, you'll see that all of them feature a die-cast aluminum housing with these great heat fins on the back to help keep those LEDs running at the appropriate temperature. And one other thing I want to point out, the reason we have so many different lights here on the table and how they're all plug and play is that we feature vehicle-specific connectors here on the back of the lights. So that means that for our 5x7 square lights, as well as our 7-inch round, for both the earlier Jeep CJs and the 97 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJs, well, you're going to see a vehicle-specific H4 style connector. When we jump to the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK version of the light, well, now we've got the appropriate H13 connector. Now, one thing that is missing from the table here are any anti-flicker modules. If you shopped for LED headlights in the past for your Jeep, you've probably seen that a lot of them are marketed with an anti-flicker or a pulse width modulator. Now, that's there to stop any potential flickering or blinking of the LED lights with the newer Wrangler and Gladiator's electrical systems. Now, the reason I don't have any of those PWMs or anti-flicker modules here on the table is because we have that technology built right into the headlight itself, and that's going to simplify your install with one less adapter or harness that you've got to connect and hide behind that headlight when you're completing your install. Now, all of our earlier headlights, including the 5x7s, as well as the headlights for the Jeep Wrangler TJ and Jeep Wrangler JK, are designed to be a direct replacement for your factory headlight housing. Now, for the newest Jeep Wrangler JL and Jeep Gladiator JT headlights, we're using that same 7-inch round headlight with the addition of an adapter bracket to fit that headlight into the front of your Jeep. So to install these, after removing your factory headlight housing, you'll first place your new premium LED projector style headlight into the adapter bracket and then install the complete assembly into the front of your Jeep as one complete unit. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase any one of the Quadratec Premium LED projector style headlights for the front of your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the headlights or how to get them installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.